the introduction of the chapter number 6, heat transfer. What is a heat? Every object have a different energy form. Object at rest, potential energy. Object is moving, kinetic energy. Kinetic plus potential, mechanical energy, like that. Okay. So one energy is changed into another. That time that energy change, that time some of the energy is lost. That energy is called as heat energy. Okay. So what is the definition of heat energy? Transfer of energy from hot object to cold object. Hot object to cold object transfer, that is called as heat energy. The energy get transferred, that is called as heat energy. So what is the heat energy? Energy get transferred, that is called as heat energy. That is the definition of heat energy. Energy, any form of energy, maybe sound form, electric form, potential form, kinetic form, any form of energy is transferred, that is called as heat energy. That word is very, very important for you. Transferring of energy, that is called as heat energy. The heat energy is measured unit is J. J for joule. Joule. Okay. What is the unit of energy? Energy is also measured in joule. Heat is also measured in joule. Next is, what is the effect of heat? The three effects will be happen in the case of heat. Temperature changes, state changes. State changes means solid, liquid or gas. And next one is dimension changes. Dimension changes means change the shape, change the size, that is called as dimensions. So three effects of heat: temperature changes, state changes and dimension changes. Possible. We should moving on. Our first point, change in temperature of an object. The temperature change are two types: increasing temperature, decreasing temperature. Increasing temperature means heat increases. Decreasing temperature means cool. Increasing means hot. Decreasing temperature means cool. Am I right? So two conditions. Temperature increases, temperature decreases. Listen here. So heat an object, that means temperature increases. Cool an object means temperature decreases. So both are temperature changes. Temperature increases be temperature change. Temperature decreasing be temperature changing. What are you doing, sir? Sitting proper. In both cases, both cases depends on quantity of heat absorbed. Absorbed means temperature increased. Released means temperature decreased. Clear everyone? Hot, गर्मी मतलब क्या है? Temperature absorbed. Cool, ठंडी मतलब क्या है? Temperature decreased, released. Clear everyone? So temperature absorbed, otherwise temperature increases. Temperature released, otherwise temperature decreases. The both cases it depends on quantity of heat. हीट को absorb कर रहे हैं क्या, हीट को रिलीज कर रहे हैं क्या, इसको डिपेंड करेगा. Next depending factor, it also depends on material of the object. Maybe the material of the chalk is chalk powder, material of the bottle is iron piece or anything, material of that bottle is plastic. So material of the object is also depends on temperature changes. सही है ना? एक बुक का टेम्परेचर डिफरेंट है, बॉटल का टेम्परेचर. इस बुक में पढ़ते हैं तो इतना ठंडी नहीं फील करेगा, बट बॉटल में पढ़ते हैं तो ठंडी ज्यादा फील करूंगा, बिकॉज इट इज मोर टेम्परेचर को रिलीज कर रहे हैं. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो टेम्परेचर इफेक्ट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट इज द मटेरियल इट इज मेड अप ऑफ. Okay, what are the two different temperature changes? Absorbing temperature, temperature increases. Releasing temperature, temperature decreases. Clear everyone? Next, the same thing we should moving on. Kinetic molecular theory. This theory is known as kinetic molecular theory. What is this molecule? Every objects are made up of atoms. Atoms are combined together to form molecules. Clear everyone? Every objects are made up of atoms. Atoms are combined together to form molecules. So that theory is known as kinetic molecular theory. This first case, heat condition. Heat condition means temperature absorbing. Heat condition means temperature absorbing. Whenever temperature is absorbing, heat providing, molecules movement is faster. Molecule ज़्यादा स्पीड में मूव करेगा, सही है ना? टेम्परेचर देते हैं तो molecule are start to move. Example, हम लोग घर में पानी गर्म करने का गैस में डाल दिया, गैस ऑन कर दिया, पानी आराम से उस टाइप से रहेगा नहीं ना? It will be some of the bubbles will be formed and rotate inside of it. What is the reason? The molecule is moving very faster when we have to providing temperature. So heat provide molecules movement increases. Movement increase है तो which energy increase हो जाएगा? Movement वाला energy क्या है? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy increases. Kinetic energy increase means we have to call it as thermal energy increases. Thermal means heat. Okay, thermal का word meaning क्या है? Heat. Heat energy increases. Second condition, cooling condition. Cooling condition means heat is released, not in absorbed. I'm just writing absorbed. Heat is released. Heat is released. Molecules movement is less. फ्रिज में कुछ डालो ना सर, आइस बन जाऊंगा ना पानी डालते हैं तो मूवमेंट ज्यादा है क्या? एकदम पास में बैठ के आइस बन जाऊंगा, मूवमेंट एकदम कम है, सही है ना? मैं सच बोल रही हूँ. सो मूवमेंट इज लेस. मूवमेंट लेस है तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी लेस, थर्मल एनर्जी भी लेस इतना है. सो इन्हीं दिक्कत है क्या मोलिकुलर काइनेटिक एनर्जी पढ़ने का? कुछ नहीं, इतना आराम से मैं बोली टेम्परेचर दे दो, मूवमेंट ज्यादा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा है, थर्मल एनर्जी ज्यादा है. फ्रिज में डालो, मूवमेंट कम है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी कम है, थर्मल एनर्जी भी कम है. इतना इजी है बस. दिस मच क्लियर एवरीवन? स्टॉप द वीडियो. The first two condition, temperature increases, temperature decreases. Maybe the temperature becomes zero. Molecule motion is come to stop. Kinetic energy, K means kinetic energy, come to zero. First case, temperature increases, molecule movement increases, kinetic energy increases, thermal expansion increases. Second case, decreases. This case, temperature zero, molecule movement zero, kinetic energy zero. That zero have a special name that is called as absolute zero, otherwise zero of Kelvin scale. This value of zero, temperature zero means that value is equal to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. This is called as absolute zero in Kelvin scale. Clear everyone? इसको भी पीछे it's not exist. समझ गया ना? minus 273. अभी हम लोग का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 15 डिग्री, 14 डिग्री. ओके, minus 273. सोचो पूरा फ्रीज हो जाएगा सर, कुछ नहीं एक्सिस्ट करूंगा. इसको पीछे कैनॉट एक्सिस्ट, है ना? -50 के पीछे भी कैनॉट हम लोग रद्द होगा, एक्सिस्ट नहीं करूंगा. ठीक है ना? इतना anybody cannot to exist below minus 273 degrees Celsius. This much clear for everyone? Next day chapter 5, stop it. Next day chapter 5.